So I thought I'd take this opportunity to do a series of chats about some of our products like I would have had with you in our showroom. And the first question I get asked often is, what is Meshit? And why do we need Meshit? So I'm going to answer that question as best I can off the cuff and go from there. So this would be our Meshit. It comes in a 1, 5 and 25 litre, and it is a white viscous product. One of the advantages of this is that it doesn't dissolve when you use your grout. When you've got a water product that comes on top of it, it doesn't weaken the strength of the actual bond. And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to bond generally mosaics to a mesh like this. This mesh is specifically a fiberglass mesh, which makes it slightly more difficult to stick to, as a cotton mesh or a natural fiber mesh would adhere other adhesives better. So we designed the Meshit to stick directly onto mesh so that you can do projects from the size of 30 by 30 to, I have to ask some of our artists, but I do know we've had some very big commissions, sort of 5 meters by 3 meters, where they've worked with this method, and it works really, really well. There's a lot of technical terms that I can give you. It's not a PVA glue. It's a vinyl acetate ethylene, or VAE adhesive. The nice thing about this product is when you are using it, you can either use it in its viscous form, and it's slightly thicker than paint. It's very runny though. And if you leave it out, it will become more tacky. And you can decant little by little and let it get tacky to an appearance that you like to work with. So if you like working with a product that is very liquid and want to paint it onto your mesh, go ahead. However, if you'd like to work with a slightly stickier product, almost like Tic Tac, you can leave it out in a dish and it will start becoming tacky, and you can actually spoon it on or use your chopsticks, the back of a chopstick, which I often use. So that is our Meshit. It was designed specifically for fiberglass mesh. And that was because we had problems in the very beginning. And when I say the very beginning, I'm talking about 2004. So this product's been out for a long time. We always recommend that any professional artist uses this to stick to mesh, as you are saving yourself hassles down the line from tiles popping off tables and things like that. It is specifically used in the mosaic art side of things. So thank you so much and have a good day.